Hey guys, it's Marcello back from Toyota World. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe for constant cool videos of your favorite Toyotas. And of course, smash a thumbs up if you found this video cool, interesting, and informative. So have you ever asked yourself, or have you ever questioned how long a Toyota can last? Well, I'm gonna show you guys one of the reasons why I have so much faith, trust, and love for the brand, Toyota that is. I've got a vehicle here, unique vehicle that was maintained properly, serviced regularly, and has lasted this customer a very, very long time. So long that we had to buy it off of him so we can showcase it at our dealership, Maple Toyota, as a conversation piece, I guess, or as bragging rights. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Now, hang on one second. Before I show you guys this vehicle and talk to you guys about it, you know, we've always seen and heard of stories that customers have, you know, Toyota 4Runners, you know, 15-year-old Toyota 4Runners with lots of kilometers on them, you know, 800,000-900,000 kilometers. Toyota Jeff over in the US has posted about a year ago about a Toyota Tacoma with, I think, 1.2 million miles, which is insane. That's fantastic. You know, Tacomas, Tundras, 4Runners, you always hear about these type of Toyotas that just last forever. You know, customer had them since day one, serviced them regularly, and they've lasted the customer a very long time. But have you ever heard of a Toyota with nearly 1 million kilometers on it that is a compact sedan? And I'm not talking about a Corolla. Let's take a look at what I am talking about. Okay, everyone, here's what I'm talking about. That's right, we have a 2007 Toyota Yaris. Now, don't judge this vehicle by the body and by the exterior appearance and condition. This vehicle has served its purpose and has done very, very well for the customer who owned this vehicle. We've had it sitting here for about, I don't know, I'm gonna say a little bit over a year. We've moved it around the dealership, various locations. Just like I said, we put some stickers on it just to brag. You know, you've got a Toyota Yaris, not a Corolla, a Toyota Yaris that's here with nearly 1 million kilometers on it. And I'll prove it to you if you guys wanna actually take a look inside on the odometer. All right, there we are, guys. Check it out. 979,300 kilometers. Just close to 1 million kilometers on this 2007 Toyota Yaris. Really cool. Sorry guys, one more thing. Normally vehicles with this age and this kind of kilometers on it, I don't know if you've ever even had the experience to see a vehicle odometer dash with nearly 1 million kilometers on it, but normally they have all kinds of lights on the dashboard, engine lights, you name it. Take a look at this dashboard. It's pretty clean. Okay, so really guys, take a look at this. It's pretty clean. There's almost no dashboard lights. I mean, you've got the what it's telling you here, the description of what's going on: park, seatbelt, the doors open. Got the little exclamation point here, which could be for the emergency brake. And then you've got the ABS light. No engine light. 979,000 kilometers. Wow. So if you were in the market for a Toyota, but you weren't sure exactly how long this vehicle would last, if you would get your money's worth or not, rest assured guys, do your routine maintenance, have your vehicle checked up regularly at your local Toyota dealership, and rest assured these vehicles have a lot of potential to last a long time. They're fantastic, great resale value. Toyota's won a number of awards for that. We all know, especially if you've checked out any of my other videos. But here is proven facts, a proven vehicle, tested nearly 1 million kilometers on a 2007 Toyota Yaris. Oh, and one more thing, guys. It's about 25 degrees right now here in Ontario, Canada. And the AC is running right now on this old Toyota Yaris, and it blows cold. So there you go, there you have it. Nearly 1 million kilometers on that Toyota that you just saw there. So if you weren't sure how long Toyotas could last, or you know, if it's the right choice for you and your family, you want to get your money's worth, well, I just showed you, I just proven to you. And this isn't the only story. Like I said, Take a look on the internet, search it up. Many Toyotas before that have reached 1 million, close to 1 million, or over 1 million kilometers. So these are fantastic vehicles, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, thought it was cool and interesting. If you did, smash a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to Toyota World for constant cool videos of your favorite Toyotas.